Akala ko noon, wala na akong magagawang mabuti sa buhay ko. Inamin kong minsan akong naging pasaway at sakit sa ulo ng mga magulang. But God performed a miracle in me. Biruin mo, may ibabait pa pala ako. He taught me how to really love other people and raise me as a good son to my parents, a good cell member to my leader, and a good student of my campus. Pwede pa palang mabuhay ng masaya habang gumagawa ng tama at maging pagpapala sa aking kapwa. Today, I am thankful that I became a part of His family, where God found me and where I found this love for me. Jesus is an inspiration and example to follow. Therefore, as I will live this life, I want to be like Him. My life story will serve also as an inspiration to other people and to all generations to come. I am Aaron Charles Salire, and I am extreme.